Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Today we'll make something special, something sweet. Have you tried fruit salad with Semiya before? If not, now it's the time. Let's make this special fruit salad. Now let's preparing the Semiya custard. As it's fruit salad, we'll be adding different fruits to make it colorful and tasty. Here I used apple, banana, grapes, muskmelon and papaya. I added papaya later so I couldn't capture it in the picture. You can use your choice of fruits. You all know fruits not only add flavor but also boost immunity. And next we need Semiya. Roasted one is better. In a vessel, take 1/4 cup water and add 2 tablespoons roasted Semiya to it. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. If you are new to my channel and like my videos, don't just watch. Subscribe, like and leave a comment. I'd love to know from which part of the world you are watching. Now let's add a half liter milk to this half cooked Semiya. But before that, take 4 tablespoons of milk in a separate small bowl to mix the custard powder. I am using toned milk, but if you prefer whole milk, that tastes even better. Since I prefer toned milk, I used that. Milk matters. Full cream milk makes it richer, but toned milk works great too. Let it boil. By the time the milk starts boiling, the Semiya will be perfectly cooked as it was already half done in the water. Now slowly add sugar. I prefer mild sweetness, so adjust the sugar as per your taste. Let it boil again. Meanwhile, take 2 heaped teaspoons of custard powder and mix it well with the reserved milk in the bowl, ensuring there are no lumps. The milk is now boiling, so reduce the flame to low and slowly add the custard mixture while stirring continuously. Don't stop stirring as it tends to form lumps. Keep stirring for a few seconds until it reaches a slightly thick gruel consistency. A smooth custard makes all the difference. By now, the Semiya is also fully cooked and the custard has turned into a nice creamy texture. Switch off the stove and add a pinch of salt. Since we have added Semiya, the salt balances the sweetness beautifully. Set it aside to cool. Once cooled, refrigerate it. Comment if you love homemade desserts. Now let's prepare the fruits. While the custard mixture is cooling, we can cut all the fruits one by one. Summer is creeping in slowly and a refreshing fruit salad like this keeps us hydrated and satisfied. It's also packed with nutrition. This dessert is kid approved. Try it and let me know how your little ones like it. Not only kids, all age groups would love this. Now I am done with cutting the fruits. Now let's add the chilled Semiya custard mixture to the cut fruits and top it with soaked raisins. If you like, you can add other nuts too for extra crunch and flavor. Here is the sweet, creamy and delightful Semiya custard fruit salad. Refreshing, nutritious and easy to make. What's stopping you? Enjoy this delicious treat.